Takes 3, turn on. Four, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's not responding. All right, now let's try to turn it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come on. There, 21. 21 times to turn it off. 1, 2, 2 times to turn it off again. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 3 times to turn it on. All right. And then sometimes what happens when I try to turn it off, the light dims and then comes back on. 1, 2. Okay, that time it turned off in 2 times. Okay. I'll turn it back on. 1, 2. There, it turned on again. 2 times it turned on. All right, now 1, 2. 2 times turn off. And I can't get it to do it. Let me try the old one. Okay, this is the one here, the broken one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. And then you'll see that it dims and then comes back on when you turn it off. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 3 to turn on. Okay. All right, I see. 1, 2. Let's see if it can. Okay, it can go up. Okay. And now 1. There, it turned off with 1 time. All right. 1 turned on. All right, let's see if it turns off. 1 turned off. All right, it's up and down. Doesn't always, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So let me try the new one again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times to turn on. And then let's turn it off. 1, 2. 2 times to turn it off. Okay. There's a time when something also happens where when you hit the button to turn it off, the light dims like it's going to turn off, but then it goes and turns back on again by itself. And I haven't been able to capture that one. Anyway, that's the situation now.